Some people don't leave all at once. They fade, piece by piece, and you don't notice until they're gone. I remember nights you would stay on the line, talking about forever like we had all the time. Now forever feels like a word you erased, like every single memory just got replaced. I was holding tight, didn't want to lose grip. You were already halfway out of the ship. I was patching holes, trying not to drown. You were looking for a way out, I was breaking down. Yeah, I saw the distance growing in your eyes, but I told myself 100 different lies, like we're okay, like this will pass. But deep down I knew it wouldn't last. Now I'm sitting here with your ghost in my head. Every word you ever said, just replaying again, trying to find the moment everything changed. But the truth is, nothing stayed the same. Yeah, I tried to fix what I couldn't control. Gave you all of me, you gave me a hole. Now I'm stuck picking pieces off the floor, trying to figure out what we were fighting for. I had to let her go, even though it broke my soul. Holding on just hurt me more. I couldn't take it anymore. Now I'm standing in the cold, learning how to be alone. Sometimes love don't mean you stay, sometimes you just walk away. Yeah, you said I changed, yeah, maybe I did, but I changed just to fit in the life that you lived. I was bending backwards just to make it work, while you kept pushing me away, putting me in the dirt. Every fight turned into something bigger, every silence hit a little bit deeper. We stopped talking, started keeping score. Love turned into something like war. I remember nights I couldn't sleep, overthinking every promise you didn't keep. You said I'm here, but you felt so far, like I was chasing you in the dark. And that's the part that really hurts, when you give your best and it still don't work, when the one you love don't feel the same, but you keep holding on anyway. I was scared to lose what I couldn't save. Now I'm standing at an empty place, trying to breathe, but my chest feels tight. Trying to heal, but it don't feel right. I had to let her go, even though it broke my soul. Holding on just hurt me more. I couldn't take it anymore. Now I'm standing in the cold, learning how to be alone. Sometimes love don't mean you stay, sometimes you just walk away. Yeah, maybe I ignored all the signs you showed. Maybe deep down I already knew that we were slowly falling apart, but I was too afraid to lose you. I put you first, I put me last. I gave you present, I gave you past. I gave you pieces I can't replace. Now I'm left with this empty space. And yeah, I miss you, I won't lie, but I don't miss the way I cried. I don't miss feeling not enough, or questioning if I'm worth your love. Sometimes letting go is the only way, even if it kills you every day. Even if your heart screams don't, you gotta do the things you don't. Yeah. If love turns into pain, if holding on feels like chains, then maybe losing you was the only way to save me. Even if I don't feel saved right now, I had to let her go, even though it broke my soul. Holding on just hurt me more. I couldn't take it anymore. Now I'm standing in the cold, learning how to be alone. Sometimes love don't mean you stay, sometimes you just walk away. I let you go, not 'cause I stopped loving you, but 'cause I started loving myself.